In this screencast, I will be explaining the design principles that I employed for my public service announcement poster. I wanted the center of the poster to be the focal point so that people will see a big red stop sign, which will hopefully get them to take a moment and read the rest of the PSA. I also did this to avoid having too much centered text, which can be overwhelming and hard to read. The red stop sign almost serves as a title because it's definitely the first thing people see, and it'll hopefully hook them and catch their eye. I decided to put the slogan right below the design because it's the main area of focus. The slogan, "Save your text, save a life," will hopefully resonate with the reader by making them feel as though they can save a life by committing to not driving distracted. I used the principle of proximity and alignment with the text by placing the boxes above and below the design to make it uniform format. I chose white boxes with black text to create a simple and consistent design. I decided to use the statistic at the top of the page to show that too many people are killed due to driving distracted, which can easily be avoided. Hopefully this will open their eyes to the subject and almost scare them into not driving distracted. I want the last thing people to read is that they need to pull over or wait until they reach their destination to check their phone, eat, etc. This gives people easy alternatives to avoiding the dangerous activity of driving distracted.